My name's Rick Wallace. I was originally from Parkersburg, West Virginia. I was born there. And we went to Westerville, Ohio. And then 45 years ago, we moved to Coshocton County, and that's where we knew we needed to stay. I got up, we were getting ready to go to church. Just didn't feel the greatest, had a little bit of the same thing. I told her, we don't need to get ready to go to church, I just don't feel that great. She said, well, then we're gonna go to the emergency room. They were putting the IV in, put my gown on, and according to everybody else, I had the heart attack right then, and I was out. I have been treated fantastic by everybody that I've dealt with. Not a thing in the world that I've been upset with. And I had some of the greatest nurses that you could ever ask for. They were just great. I like things to be back to normal for me, and I like to go out to the barn in the morning. I like to take care of my horses, feed the horses. I like to go out in the evening, spend time with them, feed them, talk to them, obviously. The granddaughter that's here now was my caregiver, because when I wouldn't do things that I was supposed to, she made sure I did it. Even if it's not a severe, knock you down feeling, just once you start feeling that issue in your chest and stuff, you need to be looked at, because it wasn't anything big to me, but it was to my family.